Higit og nagka-intense nga finale week sa alternate sa GMA Telebaba, diin bida si Kapuso Primetime King Dingdong Dantes. Unsa pa kahaang-angay pa natong atangan. Busa dungan tanang sayran kauban nato si Mr. Dingdong Dantes. Mayong buntag dong! Gong si Pachay! At welcome back dito sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Maayong buntag. Hello, I'm so happy to be here with you today.
Dong, it's been a month since we welcomed the year 2022 for you and the Dante Squad. Ano ba ang naging greatest life lesson ng nakaraang taon para sa inyo? And how did you overcome when COVID has affected you and your family?
Oh, wow. Greatest life lessons. Ang dami niyan. Pero I think yung bottom line talaga nito ay, especially for our family and at least for me, is the fact that we really have to take care of our health, especially now more than ever. So siguro talagang ang laking bagay talaga ng kalusugan sa lahat ng bagay, and it plays a very very important role, 'di ba? In order for us to achieve our whatever we want, 'di ba? Kung ano man yung mga gusto nating makamit, 'di ba? Syempre we have to be healthy, not just physically but also mentally.
And Dong, you also started the year by starring dito sa I Can See You alternate, where you portrayed two characters. How did it challenge you this time as an actor?
Ay, grabe. Ito masasabi ko, isa sa pinakamahirap na ginawa ko. Hindi lang sa trabaho, kundi sa buhay talaga, sa buhay. No? Kung naging mahaba yung pahinga ko, naging sobrang bigat din naman ng workload. So sakto lang yung di ba? I was able to rest enough for me to maximize kung ano man yung kailangan kong i-contribute dito sa show na to. So, but yeah, mahirap siya pero masayang gawin.
Alternate also touches a lot of plot twists. How different is this from the other projects na nagawa mo na before?
Well, sa television kasi, yung trabaho natin in television for the past 25 years, more or less, it revolves around a certain template, 'di ba, na tayo na nakagawian talaga ng manonood natin. Ito talaga yung gusto ng mga viewers natin, and sometimes we just really have to offer something exciting and something new. And I think yun yung difference ng I Can See You franchise. I Can See You as a concept, very edgy siya compared to our traditional dramas on television. And para sa akin, okay siya dahil minsan kahit papaano kailangan may bago tayong inaalok sa ating manonood.
Dong, madami talaga ang humahanga sa iyo since then and up to now. In fact, you were also awarded the Asian Star Prize at the 2020 Seoul International Drama Awards. Saan ba humuhugot ng inspirasyon ng isang Dingdong Dantes every time that you have a character to portray on screen?
Maraming pinanggagalingan ng inspiration. Siyempre, first source of inspiration should be the material. Dahil, pag maganda talaga siya, if it's really beautifully written, it will be beautifully created, masterfully created, di ba? So, mas nakakagana kapag talagang naniniwala ka sa ginagawa mo. And for the past projects, including this one, talagang masasabi kong I put my whole focus, heart and soul into it dahil because I believe in the project. Inspiration din dyan ay yung pamilya ko, di ba? Yung especially mga anak ko na kapag lumaki sila, kailangan masabi nila na kahit papaano, uy, daddy ko yan, di ba? So you have to be proud of your work.
And it was also your first time working with Beauty Gonzalez, who shared her words of admiration sa iyo bilang co-actor. How was it working with her and the rest of the cast?
Oh, like I have said, no, it was really a beautiful experience working with her. And not just with her, but also working with a pool of very, very talented and excellent actors like si Ricky Davao, Jacqueline, si Miss Jackie Lu Blanco, si Joyce Ching, si Brian Benedict, tapos syempre si Beauty, di ba? Napakahusay, napakagagaling na mga actors.
Overwhelming din ang support ng mga fans mo, lalo-lalo na dito sa region. What can you say is the best thing na na-contribute nila sa'yo, and what's your message para sa kanila?
Yes, very, very important kasi lahat naman to ginagawa namin para maligayahan kayo, maligayahan sila, 'di ba? Magkaroon sila ng source of kahit papaano inspiration and aspiration through our stories, 'di ba? Kaya talagang always top of mind ang mga manonood whenever we make and create, these material.
Dong, we wish na sana may season 2 pa ang alternate. At dahil finale week na nga nito, please invite all our kapuso na patuloy pang tutukan ang kapanapanabik na episodes ng I Can See You alternate.
Sa ating mga kapuso dyan sa Central Eastern Visayas, unang-una, namimiss ko na kayo. Siyempre, iba pa rin talaga kapag nagkikita tayo ng face-to-face. But for now, hanggang dito na muna siguro tayo. Pero kahit naman hindi Zoom, gabi-gabi nandyan ang mga kapuso sa TV sets ninyo through the so many beautiful shows of GMA, particularly ang alternate.
Daghang salamat, Dong, at congratulations for this very successful series.